Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Holden Cruze CD hatch, stock reference number 5636. This shape runs from the third month 2013 through to the first month 2017. It has an F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet has one small dent, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, we have the left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts and brackets, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, control panel, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster